Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Butter chicken or chicken makhani is the ultimate Indian comfort food loved across the world. Tender pieces of chicken simmered in a silky, buttery tomato gravy with the right balance of spice, creaminess, and that irresistible smoky tandoori flavor. It's one of the most iconic dishes in Indian cuisine. Rich, flavorful, and surprisingly easy to make at home when you follow the right steps. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for butter chicken, which is also called chicken makhani. You'll learn exactly how to marinate the chicken for maximum flavor, prepare a creamy tomato-cashew gravy, and infuse that perfect restaurant-style smokiness, all using simple everyday ingredients. We'll guide you through every stage from the marination to final touch of cream, sharing clear cooking tips that ensure the perfect balance of spice, sweetness, and creaminess. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious butter chicken. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. We have taken 500 grams or half kg of boneless chicken leg pieces and placed it in a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything nicely. 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, juice of 1 lime, quarter cup of thick curd. Place the thick curd in a muslin cloth and leave it hanging for at least half an hour to let the liquid drain out. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of dry kasuri methi. Using the palm of your hand, crush the dry kasuri methi. Cover and keep aside for at least 1 hour. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken around 4 tablespoons of butter. Ingredients for the gravy: 2 medium-sized onions cut into cubes, 12 medium-sized tomatoes cut into cubes, 10 medium-sized cloves of garlic cut into small pieces, half-inch piece of ginger cut into small pieces, 25 medium-sized cashew nuts cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon salt. Ingredients for cooking the butter chicken: 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of dry kasuri methi. Using the palm of your hand, crush the dry kasuri methi. Quarter cup or 4 tablespoons of fresh cream, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the tomato mixture. On medium heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Also add 1 tablespoon of butter. This will prevent the butter from burning. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the ginger pieces and stir. After a minute, add the onions. Stir everything properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the cashew nut pieces. After a minute, add the tomatoes and stir everything properly. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it nicely. Cover and cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Check frequently to prevent sticking and add little water if required. Stir everything nicely. Once the tomatoes are fully mashed, put the heat off and keep it aside to cool. Tomato mixture is ready. Step 4. Cooking the chicken. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken pieces. Ensure all the chicken pieces are touching the bottom of the pan and not placed on top of each other. We are frying the chicken pieces in 2 batches, but you can fry it in 1 batch if your pan is big enough to accommodate all the pieces together. Cook the chicken on one side first and then turn the chicken pieces to cook the other side. Cook the chicken for a total time of around 15 minutes.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Once the oil separates from the masala, the chicken is cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, remove the pieces and keep them aside. If required, add little oil or butter in the pan. Then add the second batch of chicken pieces in the pan and follow the same process like you did earlier. When the chicken is almost cooked, place a few charcoal pieces on a burner on medium heat to make them flaming red hot. Once the second batch of chicken is cooked, add the first batch of chicken pieces in the same pan. Stir everything nicely. Make space in the center of the pan and then put the heat off. In the center, place a steel bowl or a steel foil sheet with the burning red hot charcoal inside. Pour 1 teaspoon of ghee or cooking oil on the hot charcoal. Cover the pan immediately and keep it completely covered for around 5 minutes. This will give the chicken an authentic tandoor-type smoky flavor. After 5 minutes, open the pan and remove the bowl containing the charcoal and keep it aside. Chicken is ready for preparing butter chicken. Step 5. Preparing the tomato paste. Once the tomato mixture has cooled down, add it in a mixer grinder. Grind to a smooth paste. Tomato paste is ready for preparing butter chicken gravy. You can strain the paste if you want a smoother and silky butter chicken gravy. Step 6. Preparing the butter chicken. On medium heat, in an open thick bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Also add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the oil is hot, add 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir it nicely. Add the tomato paste. Stir everything properly. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Cook the gravy for around 6 to 8 minutes, stirring frequently. Add little water if required. Kashmiri red chili powder is used to give color and a mild spice to the gravy. If you want a darker orange color gravy, then you can add orange food color. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. The gravy should not be too thick nor too thin. After around 6 to 8 minutes, we check the consistency of the gravy and then we added around 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Cook the gravy for around 15 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent the gravy from sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Add little water if required. After cooking the gravy for around 15 minutes, add the cooked chicken. Mix everything nicely. Check the taste and see if you need to add sugar. We added 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything properly. Then add half teaspoon of salt. Also add 2 teaspoons of crushed dry kasuri methi. Check for salt, sweetness, spice and add whatever is required. We added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything properly. Once the gravy starts bubbling, turn off the heat and add the fresh cream. Mix everything nicely. Delicious butter chicken is ready. You can enjoy this delicious butter chicken with roti or naan or paratha or with jeera rice. If you like this recipe, please share it with your friends and family members so they can also enjoy this delicious recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.